Here I truly salute now. We're going to be after match talk. How you see. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Turn on the notification so that it will notify you every time when we drop our Ogbonge content. Manchester United 2 and Crystal Palace 1, and we get Oga Godwin. Maybe like saying Ogbonge person and Ogbonge Man U fan make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Godwin, now how you see your team performance today?
They perform well. At least they make me remember Man U of back in those days, 2-7, 2-8 Man U. Maybe say as you come to watch Man U fight, they get that confidence say this one na your team wey dey win. For the last 12 matches, home matches, Man U never lose. So I still happy say dem still keep to that record, making it today again, making it 13 matches wey dem never lose for home match. I happy well well. I thank God for that.
So for today match, now who be your man of the match?
And Casemiro na be man of the match, that one no doubt. If you watch sef, e dey make that as dem put Fred, e dey play that defensive midfield and attacking midfield well. E dey play am, no mistake. As him dey hold the ball, dey get that confidence say the ball dey go front. Na him be man of the match for where me I dey like this.
So today Arsenal lose, and today when Crystal Palace score one, because they won't be like say Crystal Palace get opportunity to fit draw the match or opportunity to fit Congo shock Man you can go win. With that lose where Arsenal lose today, come be like say the title race still dey open for everybody the way they go. So and the Premier League we dey see say shocking results plenty. We see say Liverpool also lose today. How you dey see the way Man U dey play and the title race? You think say Man U na contender for this title race?
Yes, very much. I dey always talk am. I say if Arsenal fit lose like 2 extra matches, we go shock dem. Man U, the voltage wey Man U dey carry come for this league, na to collect am. We no dey carry say we wan come remain for 4th position, use go play Champions League. Na league we wan collect am, and I believe our coach, e dey make sure say e calculate the game where each match wey dey play, e dey calculate the players wey dey use play the match to make sure say e win am. So Man U dey go front. I believe am well for that one.
Make I ask you about the red card wey they give Casemiro. To you, as a Man U fan, that ball na red card or not be red card?
To me na red card because if you watch the replay back, you watch the red card because he hold am for neck. So that attempt alone na violence, so na red card.
So you clear red card?
Yes, so clear one.
I want to ask you about Man U transfer business. We see Sabitzer wey come for this January transfer window. We also see Weghorst, the striker, wey come on loan from Burnley. To you, you dey satisfied with the business wey Man U do for this transfer window?
Yes, to me that Weghorst, the guy just since wey dey put am for match as striker, only wetin I dey see when dey do there na defensive ball. If him try he good in defense, but that finisher like to strike the ball, you no dey fit strike am. If you watch anytime wey him don dey once dem change am come carry Rashford put for that place, go see the next thing Rashford don score. That mean say for him, you know what that transfer wey dem carry am come, but I thank God say na loan, no be say dem buy am. You know what, abeg we need another person to replace am there. Then for that sanitizer, because na so I dey call the guy, na how dey call am sanitizer. Na the name na Sabitzer. So for him, this him first match, I been think say dem go allow us to play 11-11. Ma see him first performance, but the way God dey do am, we no play 11-11, but he still try. At least he still show up say yes, dem put am for match, he show up. So but after he show up, we dey wait to see am the next match. Na be where I go fit rate am from. I no fit rate am for this one now because today match we no fit rate am based on say Man U dey play to defend the goal wey they don already dey win. So I no fit rate am.
So I want to ask you about Marcus Rashford. We dey see the kind of ogbonge form when he did. We be like say everything when Rashford do, they work for him. Goals, assists, plenty. I want to ask you for today current market. What will they see for today? Will they see when some players they go for 100 million, some players they go for 80, like that? Big money for euros and pounds. How with the way Marcus Rashford they play right now? How much you think say Marcus Rashford worth?
For now if they wan put Rashford for market na all those 80 to 90 o that Rashford worth because him form this season he shock everybody. All the Man U fans still dey talk am say Rashford shock us. You know, all him matches if he no score goal he must give assist. He don play sotey this January na him collect Premier League player of the month o. To watch to see say him performance worth am. Him with Wan-Bissaka the way dem take pick form this season make dem continue like that abeg. Dem pick form thing sweet everybody. All the fan dey happy for dem well well well.
All right, now, Oga Godwin, thank you for your time. My country people, now, now loyal boy across where they loyal like loyal me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, they for the description for inside this video.